Hello amazing people, happy you're back for this one. Inside this episode, our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement. 48 divided by 48 over 39, then times 39. First we do this multiplication. 48 over 39 times 39. We can easily cancel this 39 and this 39. So here we have this 48 only, and 48 divided by 48 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication, then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first. 48 divided by 48 over 39. To do this division, write down the 48, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 39 over 48. And here again, we have times 39. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 48 and this 48, which gives 39. And here again, we have times 39. So here we have this 39 times 39, which equals 1521. And this is our final answer to this problem. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks.